An unboxing video of the Honor Pad 8. Welcome, tech enthusiasts, to this exciting unboxing of the Honor Pad 8, a device that promises to elevate your digital experience. Let's dive right in. As we open the box, you'll immediately notice the sleek and elegant packaging that Honor is known for. It sets the stage for a premium unboxing experience. And there it is, the star of the show, the Honor Pad 8. This slim and lightweight tablet boasts a vibrant display, perfect for media consumption, work, and play. Camera pans to the included accessories. Now, let's explore what's inside. We have the charging cable and adapter to keep your Honor Pad 8 powered and ready to go. The tablet's design is sleek, and you'll appreciate the attention to detail. It's equipped with a powerful processor, ample storage, and the latest connectivity options. Camera showcases the ports and buttons. On the sides, you'll find the USB-C port, speaker grills, volume buttons, and the power button, all conveniently placed for easy access. Camera switches back to the tablet. The Honor Pad 8 is your gateway to an immersive world of apps, entertainment, and productivity, all in a portable form factor. Camera shows the tablet being powered on. And there you have it. The Honor Pad 8 is ready to go, and we can't wait to explore its features in detail in our upcoming videos. Conclude with excitement. Stay tuned for our in-depth review where we'll dive into the performance, display quality, camera capabilities, and more. Thanks for joining us on this unboxing journey, and we'll catch you in the next video.